I think scientists all around the world, they are working on the same problem that foreign companies cannot do the business in China. So you have better products with lower cost. We are looking into CAR T solutions, TCR-T solutions, and TIL. These are all very advanced and cutting edge area of the whole healthcare. In China, we also have different version of regulation requirements throughout the years.
Hello and welcome to Industry Voice. Today, I am happy to have a face-to-face interview with a senior managing partner of LSV Capital, a global multi-stage investment company. Please meet Kyla Xue, who will share her insights on global investments. Kyla, thank you so much for coming. We appreciate it.
Thank you for the opportunity.
So I would like to start with some general questions, and I want to start with what is the main criteria for you to find new companies for your portfolio, and do you prefer investing in local or global life science companies?
Currently, our portfolio is mainly in China. We do have some Chinese companies who has the business or the vision abroad. So they have their organizations in every other companies, just like the commercialized, large-sized biopharma. They do have established their organization all over the world. So talking about our portfolio strategy, we would look into the innovation force or the potential or power behind their platform or their products. The main criteria of our investment would be the innovation, the execution force, and the team. Because LSV Capital is now focusing on very early stage of investment of these biotechs and medtechs. In our portfolio, we do appreciate novel platforms, technology advancement, and also other AI plus medical solutions and other medical devices. Among all of these projects, we do think the innovation and their power to change the world is the most important. Because for LSV, our mission is to partner with the impactful scientists and entrepreneurs to make a meaningful change to the world. So talking about healthcare products, we do value their change to meet the unmet medical needs. They do what they do to help the patients, what they do to help the doctors to change the current practice to provide additional value to the whole healthcare industry.
And what fields of research are you currently prioritizing?
Based on the unmet medical needs, we do have a deep investment in immunology. There are small molecules, there are biologics, there are also vaccines into the immunology therapeutic area. And we also emphasize a lot in our portfolio into neuroscience. Because neuroscience is like the oncology area, but only 20 or 30 years ago, there's many unsolved problems. So in neuroscience, in neurology and psychiatry, we do invest a lot in gene therapy, into the rare diseases. We also invest a lot in the novel medical devices to solve the problems in either neurology or their muscle systems and so on. Because AIGC is now very hot area into every aspects of human life. In healthcare industry, we do have some portfolio company who are currently working on AI plus protein structures. And there's also this AI-generated synthetic biology. So they work on enzyme production. They promote or enhance the production efficiency, so you have better products with lower cost. So synthetic biology is also one big part of our portfolio that interface and interact with the whole healthcare industry and with our other portfolio companies. Cell and gene therapy is also an important area. We are looking into CAR T solutions, TCR-T solutions, and TIL, and also iPSC, the stem cell therapeutics. These are all very advanced and cutting-edge area of the whole healthcare, and I think scientists all around the world, they are working on the same problem, they are answering the same questions, and the scientists, entrepreneurs we are working with, they are of the very best, and they are devoting their time and all of their smart brains into the area they are working at.
Thank you so much for your insights. We appreciate them. And my very last question for today is that we know that a lot of biotechs face regulatory and compliance challenges. How do you navigate such complex regulatory landscape in order for your portfolio companies to succeed?
I work in the pharma industry for more than 10 years. So if you look at the regulation, that they change year by year, and the different regions have different requirements of their own. In China, we also have different version of regulation requirements throughout the years. What my advice to our biotechs for these drug development, they need to communicate very early with the regulatory or policymakers and policymakers in China and also abroad with other regions. They need to make it clear what's required to launch their product in the region. And all the preparation in advance will give the company a lot of time and advantages. But we need to watch very closely to the international regulations, such as for cell and gene therapy. There's a clear cut that foreign companies cannot do the business in China, and China companies also cannot do it in some of the certain regions. So when they planned their resource investments into their projects, they need to make it very clear many years or months in advance with the target region, with the policymakers.
Thank you so much. So that would be all for today. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your thoughts. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you would like to be our next guest speaker, reach out. You can find the right email in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe.